Okay, hey everybody, this is Dr. LA. This is a private training for those in our community on the education side. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, so guys, make sure that you are watching Wolf. You really want to catch the EMA cross. Make sure you're on the 1 minute chart. Catch the EMA cross. I want you to switch your contract to GCQ4. GCQ4. All right, that was a good one. That was after the pullback. We could possibly get in. I got 35 seconds. Let me see what this candle is going to do. We have several candles. Ideally, you want to catch the EMA cross, okay? And that first flat top is where you want to get in. All right. So we are looking to do that. Let me see if we can get a reset because I just want you to see what you're doing, okay? Your ticks should be set here. I want you to do one contract for those of you who are just starting, and then you're setting your ATM to $50. Okay, we have videos on how you're going to do that. But make sure you're looking at this like this. Okay, so you see this is giving us a nice little bounce back. I would like to see this pull up first before we take the trade. Okay, I would like a doji, a little bit of buy momentum, and then let's look to get in the trade. Okay, whenever you get a doji, that is a reset. This is a reset. So you can get in on that flat top. You can get in on this flat top. The thing is, you have to get in on the first one, all right, in order to achieve your success. So this is our doji here, and we are going to be looking for the next flat top. Pay attention to your fractals. It has to be a dark color. If it has a dark color, that means that the momentum is strong, okay? So we want a dark color down here. 1 second here, 1 second. All right. So we got about 1 second on the candle. Let's see what that next one is. I would like another doji before it pushes so that the momentum is strong. Now, ideally, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. You want to wait for the EMA to cross and get in on the flat top. Okay. When you see here, you got a flat top, but you didn't really get an EMA cross. So you don't really want to play with that. Okay. We want, even if it's buying, you'll be fine if you get in on the EMA cross. So I really want you to make sure you're waiting for an EMA cross and then get in on that flat top. I just want to demonstrate to you how we can do this. These are doji. Ooh, Jesus, that thing shot down, didn't it? We could have took that to the moon. And look at your momentum here. The momentum is ridiculously strong. It's going to have to push back up. So we're going to have to give it a moment to do that. While it's doing all this, let me show you how to set your ATM, okay? Because I needed to pull back. Ooh. Okay. That was your reset. That was your flat top. But we didn't get in that because that pushed down too hard. And normally when it pushes down like this, it has to pull back. So let it pull back. I know we count 4 candles in our series. And normally we want about 3 flat tops in that series. Whenever you get a doji, you can start counting again. Okay. So this is really good for the push down right now. Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here. Okay, so let's see. We should get a little bit of a turn, but those of you who haven't set your ATM, click the settings gear, make sure you turn it on, press the plus button, and then put 50 in your plus. And then the drop down menu, you're going to add your price from your number value. So choose number value and then choose TP only. Okay, and then put 50 and then press save. And then your 50 will be there. So again, we've got some nice pushing down here, and we have our fractals here, okay, and they're dark. So that's really, 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 really good. I love the AI technology on this chart. It is really good and it works really well. So it's going to tell you when the market is pushing and pulling. It's going to give you some colors as well. So again, this is already EMA has crossed here, EMA has crossed here. Okay, so for our beginners, the lines are called EMAs. Okay, and it's just telling us the momentum of the market. And when it crosses, we're looking for a flat top. So ideally, the flat top that's right here is the flat top we would have wanted to go ahead and get in on, okay? And then when it gives us the doji, the market is resetting, which it did here. It reset, it shot down, okay? And so now the momentum is getting weak because it does need to buy up before it can continue to push down. All right. So we're getting a doji over here, which is what we want. We want a doji right here. We want that because we want this market to push up and then come back down so that we can get in at the proper place. So entry is everything. What are you looking for your entry? For your entry, you're looking for a flat top and a dark fractal in an EMA cross. You want your EMAs to cross, okay? Right now, if it buys back up, it would be great if it bought back up in here, okay? So that we could get a nice reset for the sale down because you're not trying to be in the trade forever. So let's go through this again for beginners, okay? You can be a beginner trader. You can be beginner to Forex. You can be a beginner to futures. These two lines here and here are the same lines here and here, just different colors, different charts that I'm using. They are called EMAs. Whenever your EMAs cross, you're going to get a great push down. So you want to aim to get in the trade. These are called candles. You want to get in when you see a flat top. This candle here has a flat top, okay? Red means the market is selling. Blue means the market is buying. We are trading futures right now, so we want to get in for quick scalps. We want to be in and out. We want to make our $50 and be done, okay? That's our next flat top, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to
order filled.
Now, I am choosing to get in this for a sale because I got a doji in the market reset. You can see that here, okay? And my fractal is dark red, okay? When you hear order filled, that means that my trade hit, okay? So right now, I'm up $30, right? The goal is simply
order filled.
One trade and make $50 a day, all right? There you have it. Right before your eyes, that took me no time. One trade, $50. This is all about entry. So you have to get the training so that you practice entry. Again, your entry is going to be, did those EMAs cross? Yes. Are the candles red? Yes. Do I have a flat top? You can get in on any of these flat tops, okay? Is the triangle dark red? Yes. Make sure you're getting in on the first trade. The only thing you need to do is practice. And then once you have it down packed, then you need to walk away from the trade and not be greedy. The goal for new traders, beginners, is simply $50 a day. It's your choice, but we're teaching you a simple strategy to help you sustain your success. Make sure you attend one of the sessions. Happy trading!